Do you feel like you're walking around with a permanent ache in your lower back? Are you tired of feeling stiff and limited in your movements? If so, you're not alone. Many of us struggle with back pain and stiffness, but there's a simple solution. Increasing your flexibility can help ease the discomfort and improve your range of motion. And the good news is, you don't have to be a gymnast or spend hours in the gym to achieve it. In this article, we'll show you how to increase flexibility in your back and feel like a brand new person. Get ready to say goodbye to back pain and hello to a more limber you. Understanding how to increase flexibility in back. We've all been there. Waking up with a stiff and aching back, feeling like an elderly person. The truth is, poor posture and sedentary lifestyles are to blame for most of our back pain. However, it's never too late to take control of your body and improve your flexibility. By understanding how to increase flexibility in the back, you can not only reduce pain but also prevent it from happening in the future. But what exactly is flexibility, and why is it important for your back? Flexibility refers to the range of motion of your joints and the ability of your muscles to stretch and move without any restriction. A flexible back is essential for maintaining good posture, reducing stress on the spine, and preventing back pain. By increasing your flexibility, you'll also improve your overall movement and agility, making it easier to perform everyday tasks. We'll dive into the science of how to increase flexibility in the back and provide you with tips and exercises to help you achieve your goals. So, whether you're an athlete or a desk jockey, it's time to put your back into action and start feeling great again. Best ways to increase flexibility in back. So, you're tired of dealing with a stiff and sore back, and you're ready to do something about it. Luckily, there are several effective ways to increase your back flexibility. Some of the most popular methods include yoga, stretching exercises, foam rolling, and even massage. Let's take a closer look at each of these options. Yoga is a great way to increase flexibility in your back, as well as your entire body. The practice of yoga emphasizes slow, controlled movements that help improve your range of motion and reduce tension in your muscles. Popular poses like downward dog, cat and cow, and child's pose can be especially helpful for your back. Stretching exercises can also be an effective way to increase your back flexibility. Simple stretches like the spinal twist, the forward bend, and the hamstring stretch can help lengthen and loosen the muscles in your back, improving your range of motion and reducing stiffness. Foam rolling can be a game changer when it comes to increasing flexibility in your back. This technique involves using a foam roller to massage and release tension in your muscles. By rolling back and forth over the roller, you can help break up knots and improve your range of motion. Finally, massage therapy can be an excellent way to increase your back flexibility. Massage can help relax your muscles, reduce tension, and improve circulation, all of which can lead to better flexibility. Whether you choose a deep tissue massage or a more gentle Swedish massage, you'll enjoy the many benefits that massage has to offer. So there you have it, some of the best ways to increase your back flexibility. Whether you choose yoga, stretching, foam rolling, or massage, you're sure to see an improvement in your flexibility and comfort level. Give one, or all, of these methods a try, and you'll be well on your way to a more flexible and pain-free back. Increasing flexibility in your back can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. Whether you suffer from back pain or just want to improve your posture, incorporating simple exercises and stretches into your daily routine can help you achieve your goals. By understanding the benefits of back flexibility, the best ways to increase it, and taking the time to implement these techniques, you can enjoy a happier and healthier life. Don't wait any longer. Start working towards a more flexible back today. Now that you have learned about the best ways to increase flexibility in your back, it's time to take action. Start incorporating these stretches and exercises into your daily routine and see for yourself the difference it can make. Remember, taking care of your back is not just about avoiding pain, it's about maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle. So, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are committed to bringing you the latest and greatest information on health and wellness, and we'd love for you to be a part of that journey. Together, we can work towards a happier and healthier life. See you there.